How to replace a 2015 Dodge Dart 4-button smart remote key fob battery. Now here's Sergeant Locksmith to show you how.
Alright, let's go and change the battery out here on our 4-button remote. If your keyring is attached right here or anything is, you will need to remove that because the remote needs to come apart. For this task, you will need a flat tip screwdriver. That being said, let's get started. We're going to flip it over. You got your emergency key release. Pull that back. Spring loaded. Set that to the side, and if you look, you've got the slot where it came out and that indentation right there. Put your flat tip screwdriver in there while holding the remote firmly. Rotate the screwdriver. You're not wanting to pry it. Now that you're done, go ahead and put it pad down and open it up. And the reason why is that circuit board likes to move. If it does, go ahead and just put the board in and you'll see the indentation. Your battery, come 180. Take the corner of your flat tip. There's an indentation where you can get it in there. And there you go. Your CR2032 battery. This is a new remote, so I'm going to put this battery back in. Go ahead, put it in. Push against, push down. Go ahead and take the back housing, put it on the front, and snap it together. Hey, thanks again for watching, and let's be safe out there.